we're in Maunshan Country Walk, Country Park. Okay, let's go. We're doing Hunchback to West Buffalo. This is our way. Wow, may tali na siya. Hindi ganito to dati. Pa-picture naman at video dyan. Guys. Yeah, the view is so nice. All fog. Guys, look at that. Guys, masyadong hamog. Buti walang ulan. Hamog lang. Here in Maunshan Peak, it's 16. There's no view. Real. There they are. Ba, hintayan kayo ba siya? Okay, let's go down. Guys, everywhere is foggy. So almost in Pyramid Hill. So, bilis ngayon kasi walang masyadong stop for photoshoot kasi wala namang clearing. Tsaka yung sadya talaga namin is yung peak for our Go Wild check-in. Kwan lang to, viewing point sa taas. So, another part of Macleos Trail. Let's go to Pyramid Hill. So we're already here in the distance of 79, part of Macleos Trail, stage 4. Yeah, stage 4. Almost near Pyramid Hill. Let's go, guys! Huh? So going up now the peak of Pyramid Hill. Almost at Pyramid Hill peak. Few more steps. So hot. Okay. There is the trigonometric pose of Pyramid Hill, and still no view. Talagang clearing na yan, guys. So now, picture. Tingnan nila, guys. Okay, trigonometric pose of Okay, let's go down. Pyramid Hill. Okay, let's go down. Okay, we're down Pyramid Hill, going to Ngongping camping site now. Oh my God, still no view, guys. Sorry, excuse me. Guys, kala ko gorilla. Baka pala. Kumakain sila kasi malamig. Grabe, guys. Linggo pa lang ngayon. Saan daw kami sa linggo? Oh my God, hindi pa nga tapos yung linggo ngayon. Tinatanong na kung kailan kami at saan kami sa linggo. Nalilito na kami sa hamog na wala yung utak namin. Tinangayatan ng hamog yung mga utak natin. Buffalo Hill, and this one exit to Saicom.